In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to break into the NetSuite world in 2026, which roles pay the most based on the industry standards, and which certifications actually matter, and how AI is creating brand new roles that nobody's actually talking about. But unless you start a job, then you're getting pulled into these multiple different job functionalities that never existed before. Okay, so first thing, why NetSuite? Why this opportunity? So NetSuite talent in 2026. So there are more than 40,000 plus organizations within NetSuite that Oracle is investing billions of dollars into, especially with partnerships with OpenAI, NVIDIA, and the demand for NetSuite professionals has increased like tenfold, I would say. The issue here is like the quality of resources in the market is severely lacking, and people need to like diversify their skill set. So it means if you have NetSuite skills, you're in demand, you have advantage. So, so I'm going to show you the 7 reasons to build your career here. First, it's cloud native. It's always been a cloud first platform, so there's no on-premise headaches that you have to like deal with. It has like a good mid-market dominance, so you have companies from 50 to like 10,000 employees, all use NetSuite. So there are different modules within NetSuite that you could learn and become an expert in, and it's like I said, right? It has ERP, CRM, commerce, like all in one platform. So next, like Oracle Blacking, it has a lower barrier to entry. The first thing is it's easier than SAP or like Microsoft Dynamics, and it's way faster to like get up to speed learning NetSuite. It has a very strong consulting market. I've been in the space for more than 8 plus years now, and I can tell you that it's like one of the best like decisions I've made, like switching over to like consulting in the NetSuite space. And first, now it has an AI first roadmap that I see Oracle investing in. So with next year's features coming into NetSuite ERP, I feel like it's going to be more AI focused, AI driven, which I'm going to talk to in a little more details in the next few slides. So the 10 career paths that are unique to NetSuite, right? So the first, traditional roles. So you have your admin who maintains and manages the system. Then you have functional consultant who understands your system, like designs processes, workflows around it, works with your end user. And then you have a technical consultant who acts as your backbone, creating suite scripts, like customizing like complex workflows, like validations within the system. Then building suitelets, restlets again, like then you have your business analyst, more on the front facing, client facing, requirements gathering side. Solutions architect who can take multiple hats and basically is like someone with a techno functional background, understanding the system, how it will flow, how it will integrate with other systems. Then you have your project manager ensuring like an implementation project goes successfully, or like your optimization enhancements like take place successfully. With all of these traditional roles, you have like a consolidation of these roles into like this new AI era roles, I would frame it as. So if you see here, we'll have like an AI specialist, like an ERP automation analyst, and data analytics engineer, an integration architect, and like a commerce specialist. So essentially a mix and match of these roles. So I would say, like, let's say a NetSuite AI specialist could be someone with an admin skill set, someone who has technical knowledge with functional background. So it's like a mix of these traditional roles fusion into to give up to speed on these new roles. So with these new roles, I find it interesting that like you need there's a lot more job responsibilities, and obviously with that the rates are going to be high if you have the specialty skill set. So so I'm going to talk about these the salary benchmarks for these core roles. Currently, entry level is like this. Functional consultants. So you can take a look and you can see that by default, like a solutions architect makes the highest amount of money. Obviously, these are like these salary benchmarks. So a consultant could be making even more, almost double, or you could be on a retainer and making more money. So like I've put all of this in like a career guide you could download for free. I've put it in the description below. So like feel free to take a look at it, and I've also included the emerging careers that didn't exist 2 years ago. For example, like the AI specialist, like I said, I was talking about before. I anticipate it to be like 120 to 160K, where you have like the new NLLM module being included. So like you have a prompt studio, like Suite Agents, AI connector, and how you could connect with third-party LLMs like Claude, OpenAI, like ChatGPT, or again Gemini. So like an ERP automation analyst, so someone with AI approved workflows, automating vendor invoices flowing into the system, anomaly detection, audit, workflow optimization. So data analytics engineer, someone with like more on the data analytics side, like SuiteQL, BI integrations, like building reports, so helping like the leadership understand how their organization is doing, forecasting. So it's not just about preparing data. Now I see these careers going to be answering like what is going to happen based on the data we have so far. So having a clean NetSuite instance is the key for like some most of these roles in the AI space to excel in. Then you have an integration architect. So think of these three roles combined into one is what I would say as an integration architect. Someone with like good experience with AI, MCPs, model context protocols, REST APIs, Suite Cloud, again, like understanding middleware or iPaaS solutions, working with different tools that can connect your NetSuite instances with other third-party sources. Where obviously, if you're ERP with a large corporation having multiple data sources, this is a great role to like target. Then you have your commerce specialist, someone with like more Suite commerce, like B2B, business to consumer, AI personalization. So this could be its own thing. Like the specialist could be not just for commerce, for manufacturing, non-profit. So these careers didn't exist before, so I feel like NetSuite is going to target in different industries with different skill set. But just these are some of the new careers that I feel like are going to dominate this market in the next 5 years. Okay, so NetSuite AI evolution. So from 2024, I see like 2027 how NetSuite has evolved. So you can see here we've started off in 2024 like Suite World with text enhance, bill capture, and basic analytics AI. So you can ask questions, bill capture, like it's a Suite app module, right? So text enhance is like another feature which is available natively. It's now we've enhanced it to like 25 to like contextual insights. NSAW has an AI assistant, anomaly detection. I feel like some of these features are like still developing. So in 2026, we have this LLM module within SpeedScript. We have a prompt studio where you can define prompts and like share it with your teams. AI connector that you can connect with other chat agents, Suite agents. That's something that is going to come over later this year. Hopefully, like will automatically run in the background, producing reports, save searches. I feel like we need to see more of it in action. So same thing in 27, I assume we'll have an autonomous close once you define the set of rules how the close will happen. Obviously, I think you'll have a human intervention like existing initially, and slowly as you get comfortable closing autonomously, that's where I think you have your Oracle natural language. It's more of like Oracle's own AI, like I would say like a notebook LLM for Oracle with NetSuite Suite Answer data in it. And then you have predictive forecasting, like I mentioned before, not just what we've been doing, but what we could do in the future, right? That's something I feel like is going to be there in 2027. So like a NetSuite admin in 2024 would be like someone who's just running like save searches, defining user roles. But in 2026 and beyond, I see like someone with more AI experience, like creating AI assisted roles for like different users in the organization so that they can do their job easy, make it like their personal assistant, and so that they have to not do like proactive monitoring, but maybe more like um, help other users get the most out of the NetSuite instance. So now we're going to talk about like how like the jobs titles have changed. So the admin in 2026 is someone who's not just using these traditional stuff, but also like these evaluating deploying agents. I feel like anomaly detection rules, like you see someone logging in from a new place and want to make sure that it's the same or correct login access. AI powered workflows, so you'll have an AI based role creating invoices in the system, text enhanced configuring features, creating AI assisted roles. So The 2026, the next thing I'm going to talk about is the certifications that actually matter. So Oracle redesigned some of the certification programs this year, and most people don't know about it. So you can see that you have a professional, like a Suite Cloud developer. Specialist would be someone admin, ERP, Suite Cloud Dev, and associated is something with Suite Foundation, AI Foundations, Commerce Foundations, and Developer Foundations certifications coming through. So what we would recommend certification by goal is, if you are looking to become an administrator, so Suite Foundation, AI Foundation, and admin certifications. So same with consultant, Suite Foundation, AI Foundations would be a good start. So you can take a look at all of these here. LLM AI specialist, so Suite agents. So how to get from zero to job ready in 90 days if you already have certain NetSuite skills. So like if you have access to a sandbox, make sure you have like a Suite Foundation study guide. Join LinkedIn groups, Reddit, like 1 2 hours a day. Like pick one career path which you feel like you're more aligned to, and in weeks 3 to 4, like build specialized projects. Start role specific certification study, then get into AI skills, like learn NetSuite AI features, set up AI connector, like how you could connect NetSuite's AI connector MCP with other third party agents. Practice Suite QL, like how you could query your NetSuite data, build reports, save searches, run save searches, do analysis. So right, so you can study for AI foundation certification, and then like just like build your portfolio, like take the exam, optimize your LinkedIn, apply, like different organizations. So these are some of the independent consultant rates that are in the market right now. So like feel free to take a look at this, but I feel like these rates are only going to go up in the market as soon as you like level up with more years of experience in this space. So go deeper. So like we have the data ants guides, so feel free to take a look at this. So use code YouTube30 for like a 30% off. Famous saying goes. So I put the links in the description below. So take a look at that and let us know if you have any questions. Thank you.